Kangaroo. Alright, man. We're adding the bacon next. I know, put the bacon in there and fry it around. Doing a good job, us. At least you ate the meal. Dropping stuff. After it fries up for a couple minutes, we got to remove the slices.
It's got to cook.
We got to leave
That's why you're cooking it.
the bacon. We got to leave the bacon grease in the pan, and we add the onion, sprinkle a little bit of sugar, and cook until the onion's about tenderized, I guess. That'll be our next step. We got to cook this first. We got to get the bacon out of there, then throw the onion in there. Yeah. Did a good job. You got anything to say?
Are you seriously recording that?
Yeah. It's pretty wild. See, they made a pretty good hearty plate of pork chops. We're doing the deer meat thing. Delicious.